Once again, the exalted figure of former President Trump finds himself entangled in a web of controversy, this time entwined with the esteemed Judge Juan in a legal skirmish. Trump, with his characteristic flair for linguistic acrobatics, has leveled the accusation that Judge Merchan suffers from a peculiar ailment known as Trump derangement syndrome, insinuating that the judge's impartiality has been compromised due to his daughter's legal representation of prominent Democratic figures, including the likes of Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, and Adam Schiff. In a fervent declaration, Trump asserts that this alleged bias has resulted in unjust treatment and a relentless assault on his sacred constitutional rights, as eloquently expressed by the former president himself on the auspicious platform of Truth Social, on the memorable date of Wednesday, March 27, 2024. At the heart of Trump's grievances lies Judge Merchan's audacious act of imposing a gag order, a decree that Trump vehemently denounces as an affront to legality, an un-American transgression, and a violation of the very essence of constitutional principles. He contends that this directive violates his First Amendment entitlement to express his thoughts freely, specifically in relation to his vocal opposition against what he perceives as the Biden administration's manipulation of law enforcement for their own gain. Trump asserts that he is unfairly singled out and subjected to harassment by Biden, Attorney General Merrick Garland, and their comrades, whom he derogatorily labels as hacks and thugs. Trump's narrative weaves a tale of himself as a casualty of political oppression, with the legal system being transformed into a weapon against him by adversaries determined to stifle his voice and prevent him from denouncing what he views as the abuse of governmental authority. He claims to be under constant surveillance and pursuit throughout the nation, further bolstering his portrayal of himself as a target of a politically motivated witch hunt. Nevertheless, it is crucial to analyze Trump's declarations within the intricate tapestry of his own chaotic presidency, characterized by a multitude of legal entanglements and inquiries. These include the impeachment proceedings triggered by his dealings with Ukraine and the allegations of obstructing justice that emerged from the Mueller investigation. While Trump persistently proclaims his innocence and portrays himself as a victim, it is imperative to juxtapose these claims with the concrete evidence and discoveries unearthed during these investigations. These revelations have raised grave doubts about his conduct while occupying the highest office in the land. Furthermore, Trump's rhetoric concerning the judiciary gives rise to apprehension regarding the erosion of trust in the impartiality of the legal system. By leveling accusations of bias and politicization, he undermines the public's confidence in the judiciary's ability to administer justice fairly and equitably, regardless of the parties involved. As the ex-president Donald Trump cranks up the heat, his legal warriors find themselves thrust into a labyrinth of fresh obstacles, courtesy of Trump's own perplexing antics within the courtroom. In a riveting account unveiled by Raw Story on a momentous Monday, March 25, it was revealed that Trump's legal experts are now grappling with imminent critical court showdowns. These include a pivotal hearing to address his appeals bond for financial fraud and a high-stakes trial concerning clandestine hush money payments. Legal pundits have been left dumbfounded by Trump's recent conduct, leaving them scratching their heads in disbelief. Former U.S. Attorney Joyce Vance took to the airwaves of MSNBC to express her sheer astonishment at the bewildering hurdles that Trump is single-handedly erecting for his own legal dream team. Vance illuminated the stark contrast between Trump's proclamations of financial security on his Truth Social platform and his desperate pleas of destitution to the appeals court, hoping to lessen his bond amount. This inconsistency, Vance asserted, has the potential to erode the credibility of Trump's legal arguments and imperil his chances of securing favorable judgments.